Welcome to the French Drain Man channel on YouTube, where the camera's on the subject matter and not me. So let's get started. French drains are to alleviate a yard water problem. They don't change the circumstances which cause the yard water problem, but they'll alleviate the yard water problem. So here we have this common area. It's all bermed up. So all the water's running off this common area into this backyard. This creates a terrible situation for the water. You have the rooftop water coming down the downspouts. You have water shedding off the patio. So you're dealing with all this sheet water. You got sheet water off the roof, you got sheet water off the patio. Now the Greenbelt is not all that big. So all this water ends up in a confined area, a small Greenbelt. You have all the water running off the common area into what little backyard there is here. There's so much water that ends up in this backyard in the location where we are building a French drain grid. We also have the water from the neighbors, and it slopes this way. All their water has to pass through this yard. On the far side over here is where the storm drain catch basin is. We're going to help all that water get to the storm drain catch basin more efficiently so that the saturation doesn't occur. This backyard got to where you couldn't even mow it. You can see where they're fitting the geotextile non-woven fabric. Those are two couplers. Once the pipe is in, we can reconnect the sprinkler system. For more about how to build French drain systems and the drain yard water, subscribe. If you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.